Let me ask you something. When you open your phone, you see many people, photos, videos, stories, smiles. But after you close your phone, do you sometimes feel lonely?
You are not alone if you feel this way. Many people feel connected online, but lonely in real life.
Maybe you scroll at night, in bed, quiet room, lights off, and you think, why do I feel empty?
If this sounds like you, stay with us. This episode is for you. And yes, your English is welcome here.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, English Glow Up.
This is a safe place to learn English. Slow English, real English, friendly English.
Here you don't need perfect English, you just need courage and one small step.
If you are shy, if you are afraid to speak, if you think, my English is bad, you are in the right place.
Before we start, one small favor. If you like learning English with real conversations, please subscribe to English Glow Up.
Like this video, share it with a friend, and stay with us till the end.
Okay, let's begin.
Today's topic is simple, but deep. Is social media making us lonely?
Social media means apps like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and others. We use them every day. We watch, we like, we scroll.
At first, social media feels good. You see friends, you see funny videos, you see beautiful lives.
But sometimes, after long scrolling, you feel tired. You feel sad. You feel alone.
Why does this happen?
Because online connection is not the same as real connection. A like is fast, a comment is short, but a real talk takes time.
Social media shows highlights, only the good moments, not the bad days, not the tears.
So we compare. We think, their life is better. My life is boring. And this thought makes us lonely.
But remember, what you see online is not the full story.
Now, let's learn English together. Simple sentences. Real sentences.
Listen first, then repeat.
Social media makes me feel lonely sometimes.
Say it with me. Slowly. Social media makes me feel lonely sometimes.
Good. Another one.
I spend a lot of time on my phone.
Repeat. I spend a lot of time on my phone.
Nice. Now one more.
I want more real connections.
Your turn. I want more real connections.
Great job.
Let's do a short dialogue. Emily and I will talk. Just listen.
Hey, Paul. You look tired.
Yeah. I was on my phone all night.
Social media again?
Yes. I saw many happy people. It made me feel lonely.
I understand. That happens to me too.
Now, try this at home. Change Paul to I.
Say, I was on my phone all night. It made me feel lonely.
Good. Your English is growing already.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video if you want.
Answer this question in your head or in the comments.
Question 1. How many hours do you spend on social media every day?
Try to answer in English. For example, I spend 2 hours on social media.
Now question 2. How do you feel after scrolling?
You can say, I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel lonely. Or, I feel bored.
Say it out loud. Even if you are alone, your voice matters.
Now, let's talk about fear. Many learners are afraid to speak English.
They think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh?
But listen carefully. Mistakes are not enemies. They are teachers.
Think about a baby. A baby learns to walk.
The baby falls. Again and again.
But the baby does not say, I'm stupid, I will stop.
The baby stands up and tries again.
English is the same. You speak, you make mistakes, you learn.
Speaking English online or in real life is better than silence. Silence does not help you grow.
And remember, you are not alone. We are learning together.
Let's recap today's lesson.
Social media can connect us, but it can also make us feel lonely.
Online life is not real life. People share only happy moments.
Real connection needs real talk, real voices, real time.
You practiced simple English sentences today.
You spoke, you listened, you tried, and that is success.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Please comment below. Answer this in English. Does social media make you feel lonely? Why or why not?
Don't wait for tomorrow. Practice today. Even one sentence is enough.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video.
Subscribe to English Glow Up so you don't miss our next conversations.
Keep watching, keep listening, keep speaking.
Your English Glow Up starts now.
See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.